Exporting invoices to accounts packages. Welcome to this tutorial on how to export invoices to account packages, such as Sage. Joblogic has the direct links with Xero and QuickBooks for exporting invoices. If you do not use these accounts packages, Joblogic allows you to export your invoices into other accounts systems. In order to do this, select the Reports section from the left-hand Tools menu. Now search for your accounts package. In this example, we will search for Sage 50. Select the Preview option for the sales export, as indicated. This will open a report showing the invoices that have been raised on Joblogic. You now have to export this report to Excel. By doing this, the system will ask you to mark as passed to accounts. Select Yes, as Joblogic will then not duplicate these the next time you run the report. The Excel spreadsheet can then be imported into your accounts package, as per your accounts package instructions. Please note that, if your accounts package is not shown in the existing reports, we may be able to create a report that matches your requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial.